Hello, how are you? Are you fine? Are you good? Are you great? Good, I'm fine too. Welcome to our English class of Aprender a Estudar em Casa. My name is Adilson Graça. I'll be working with you for a few weeks. Remember, we are living in a state of vigilance because of coronavirus. Don't forget to wear your mask, washing your hand all the time, and using hand sanitizer. Para começar, hoje vamos estudar the Unit 1, that is about school, as you can see here on the picture, and this is our book about us, 7th grade book, and the pages that we will work on are 13 to 25. So, I got a question for you. What is school? What is your opinion about school? Is it a place for learning and making new friends? Is it a place I hate? Or is it a place I play? Can you guess which one? Can you guess? Good. Is it a place for learning and making new friends? Good. So now, let's see some school facilities that we have in our school. So the first one is library. As you can see on the picture, we have here, the students are in the library. They are studying or doing their task. The second one that we have is a classroom. In your school, you know that you have classroom, and then you might have a library too. The third one, we have here, computer room. As you can identify on the picture, we have someone typing and using their computer. They might doing their homework or they are studying. And then we have registration knobs. Do you know what is registration knobs? Good. We can call it front desk, where you go in the first time to register. And then we have the toilet. Toilet in your school, so we can call it also bathroom. One more. Then we have library, the lab. So do you have lab in your school? Yes? Good. So, okay, we have here playground. During your break, you can go there to play. And then we have canteen. What do you do in the canteen? During your break, you can go to eat. Next, we have school subjects. Now let's see what are some school subjects that we have in our school. So the first one we have, as you can see on the picture, we have the one it's called math. So next, as you can see on the picture, we have history and geography of Cape Verde. And then we have Portuguese. As you can identify on the picture, here we have another subject that is called Portuguese. I know you are good in Portuguese. Is that right? Okay, good. So let's go. And then we have another one that's called French. Are you good in French? Great. That's good. So next one, we have English. Good? Okay, great. The next, we have physical education. I know you like kids. I know you like to do physics in your school. So I do like too. And then we have Earth and Life Science. Do you like it? No? So boring? It's good? Okay, fine. So what do we have next? Next we have art. As you can see on the picture, we have kids are drawing. Do you like to draw during your art class? Wow, that's great. Me too. So now, let's see what we have in each part of the school. So what we can do in each part of the school. The first one that we have is learning together with teachers and colleagues. Where do we learn together and teach with colleagues? Is it in canteen, toilet, computer room? So, can you guess? Good. Classroom. We learn it together with teacher and colleagues in the classroom. The next one, wash hands and face. Where do we wash our hand and face? Can you guess? Good. In the toilet. We go to wash our hand and the face in the toilet. The next one that we have, carry out experiment. Where do we carry out experiment? Do you have physics in your school? Physics subject? Good. What do we do there? Okay, lab, so-called lab. So the next one is pay tuition. Where do we pay tuition? When you go to school. So in the registration room. Remember, as I told you, registration room, you can call it also front desk. The next one is buy snacks. Where do we buy snacks? We buy it in the canteen. Next is work on computer. Where do we work on computer? Do you like to work on computer? Do you have computer at home? Great. We can call it computer room. Nice. Next is spend break. Where do you spend your break? So it is in the playground. Great. Let's move on. The next one is consult books. Where do we consult books? If you want to study, do some research, or do our homework, it is in the library. Great. So now, let's do some exercise just to see if you are following the class or if you understand. Now, vamos fazer pequeno exercício só para ver se vocês entenderam o que acabamos de ver hoje na aula. Então, aqui, as you see, we have a short test about media. I'm going to read it. I will read the test, and then I will explain to you the exercise. So, practical exercise. Hello, I am Miriam, and I'm from Achada Grande Frente. This is my school called Achada Grande High School. It is big and clean. I study math, physical education, history and geography of Cape Verde, French, Earth and Life Science, Portuguese, Physics and Chemistry, Art and English. English is my favorite school subject. There is a canteen, playground, registration office, toilet, library, computer room, classroom, and a lab. I love playing with my colleagues in the playground. In the morning, the classes start at 7:30 a.m. and finish at 12:30 p.m. In the afternoon, the classes start at 1 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. I love my classmates and most of my teachers. They teach well and they are smart. My favorite teacher teaches us English and gives us a lot of homework. I love doing homework because it makes me study and be smart. Agora vamos ver as perguntas que vocês vão responder. So, read the test again and say exercise number A. In which paragraph does Miriam refer to the school subject 2, her favorite subjects. 3, the school facilities. And 4, her classmates. Exercise B. Here you have to read the test again and answer the following questions. Number 1, which grade is Miriam studying? Number 2, who is Miriam's favorite teacher and why? Number 3, does Miriam like doing homework? Justify. Number 4, how many school facilities does exist at Miriam's school? Number 5, what subjects do you have in common with Miriam? So agora vou vos deixar tempinho para resolverem esse exercício e volto já. Conseguiram fazer tudo? Ok, great. Agora vamos corrigir juntos. No primeiro exercício, A, in which paragraph does Miriam refer to, number 1, the school subjects? Can you say it? Good. Paragraph 2. Number 2, her favorite subject. Can you guess? Great. Paragraph 4. Number 3, the school facilities. Can you say it? Good. Paragraph 3. The last one, her classmates. What you have? Good. Paragraph 4. Now, you did it? Good. Good job. Now let's see the exercise 2. The question number 1. Miriam is studying 7th grade. You did it? Good. Exercise 2. Miriam's favorite teacher is an English teacher because she gave her lots of homework. You did it? Good. Number 3, yes, because it makes her study and be smart. You did it? I know you can do it. Good. Number 4, there are 8 school facilities at Miriam School. And the last one, number 5. Free answer. What subject do you have in common with Miriam? I want you to mention only 3. The first one. Can you say it? Yes, good. Math. Another one, Portuguese. The last one, English. Yes, good. I knew you can do it. Estamos a chegar ao fim da nossa aula, aprender a estudar em casa. Vou vos deixar com um pequeno exercício para resolverem sozinho em casa. O exercício é o seguinte. You can find it on your book on page 20, if you can see the book here. And the first exercise is the letter A, draw your school. And the letter B, describe your school, refer to its location, size, facilities, and the subjects. The exercise you can start like this. My school is. Bye. See you next class. Agora vamos rever o que acabamos de aprender na nossa aula de hoje. Today we learned about school facilities. For example, toilets, classroom, playground, canteen. On the other hand, we learned about school subjects. For example, math, English, Portuguese, and French. E assim chegamos ao fim da nossa aula, aprender a estudar em casa. It's good to see you on the other side. See you next class.